Hi everyone, my name is Tyler and I wanted to introduce you to this channel I just started and also take you through my stock portfolio real quick. So D.O.P.E investing, that's acronym, stands for using dividends and options for passive earnings. So there's stock dividends, some stocks pay dividends, which is where the stock pays a little bit of money to each person holding a share as a little reward and incentive to keep them holding on to that stock. And options are uh, a lot more confusing if you never heard of them, but stock options you can think of as kind of like if someone owns stock and they want to take out insurance on it, kind of like you would as like a fire insurance on a house. If your house burns down, fire insurance will cover it. If your stocks plummet, then that kind of options quote insurance unquote will cover it. Another way to think of it is kind of like betting on the direction of which way a stock will go, either betting on it's going to go up or down, or just kind of trade in the middle and go flat. So those are just analogies. I could make many videos on options and what they are, but that's kind of like a little overview of what they are. So using dividends and options for passive earnings. I'm going to start this channel because, several years ago, a coworker of mine, Justin, got me into stocks, and it was really exciting. So I want to like share that excitement with you, and perhaps you want to get started into investing or become a better investor. And I started this several years ago. You can look at this of all time, how my portfolio has done over time, which 66 return on initial investment. And of course, you add money over time and all that, but that's really good. Like if you were to go to a savings account, a lot of savings accounts right now pay very low. Like some of the highest in the country right now are probably around 4%. So if you want a 4% return on your money that's safe, that's guaranteed, put it in one of those savings accounts. And if that's the type of person you are where you might panic with things with losing $100 or $1,000 over the course of a day freaks you out, then maybe investing isn't for you because it is riskier, but there are higher returns. So usually stock market will beat the highest savings interest rates. And you can, if you can take on that risk and have like an iron stomach when it comes to looking at your portfolio jumping up and down, then you might want to consider that. But that being said, I'm not a financial advisor at all. This is all just we'll call it entertainment and educational purposes only. So this is at your own risk. But I will say that this portfolio that you're looking at is my real money. It's not a paper account. If you follow along, you might gain some of the same percentages that I do, but you also might have some losers in there as well. So invest at your own risk, and you don't have to follow exactly what I'm doing, but you can just follow along and see how it works. And this app I'm using right now is called Robinhood. I like it. I've been using it a long time. It's easy to use. I'll mostly be using this for this channel to show you how to buy and sell stock, look for those dividend stocks, place some options, and hopefully we'll be able to build some wealth together. All right, so let's go through this portfolio. Today is May 20th, 2025. Markets are currently open. I'll just scroll down here. Options, I have I have 5 credit spreads open right now. That's my only options. I plan on putting on some more. Cash, this is the section where it tells you how much cash you have. You earn a small percentage if you have the free version of Robinhood. But if you But if you get gold, then currently you earn 4% APY with that on your cash. I have a little bit of crypto. Here are the stocks and ETFs. They're currently displaying the current price on the right there. Red means it's gone down. Green means it's gone up. And you can pause the video if you want to take a peek at those ticker symbols. But I will say some of these I do want to get out of. Okay, I bought some and then they went down. And I'm waiting for them to go up and I'm going to sell them. So just because you see it in this list does not necessarily mean that I endorse them. And also does not necessarily mean that you can buy them. For example, Earn is not tradable on Robinhood anymore, but I still have it. All I can do is sell it. Go down the list here. Looks like these are in alphabetical order. All right, and then we have prediction markets, which you can click on those, and it's essentially kind of gambling on what you predict the future will be. For example, Fed decision in June. What are they going to do with Federal Reserve rates, stuff like that. They also have sports. So kind of like betting if you're into that. Recurring investments. I buy Bitcoin every week, just a little bit. Realized profit and loss. Those are in the right direction. I like that. And then we got some lists where you can organize stuff. And there we go. So that's my portfolio at the moment. Feel free to follow along or make careful considerations on what you yourself will buy or sell. And yeah, let's grow this portfolio together and grow your portfolio. Thanks for watching.